Morning, investors, traders, degenerates. Welcome. 11:09, April 14th, and today is Happy Vasaki Day to all the Sikhs. Got the dates mixed up. It's the 14th of April. Okay. Just logged onto the computer and fired up TradingView. And what are we doing? So I pulled up the Ethereum chart. I did like 5 minutes before I got on. You see me in action. I'd do my charts real quick. So I did fib retracement, trend projections, right? And so we'll dig into this in a minute. Let's check Bitcoin. Let's get a clean chart. And this is this is like a local projection, right? It's not from the bottom. You don't need it from the bottom. And to tell you, it is going up. It is going up. So yesterday I mentioned this running consolidation pattern, and it had a target of $80,000. Around there. And so look, 2.618 of I believe. What did I do of this off? Yeah, so that to that, I think, gave you that. So look, that was 50%. So you interact with that, you create that inverse head and shoulders, or what its pattern is. It doesn't really matter what name you call things. You just got to recognize what. It's just a pause on its path, right? Just a way to gather enough energy from where? February 19th to now, April. Basically 2 months to give it that final push. That final push. We'll go 80, 86, back down again, and then that. So it could be end of May, June. Memorial Day. I keep bringing up Memorial Day. Why? Because people are sick and tired of all this stuff that's going on. So I do believe this could be a summer of love. Yes, you heard it here from Balaji. Summer of love, people. Get yourself ready. Get yourself in shape. Buy some nice new clothes, etc., etc. Let me take a swig of coffee. Yep, good. So Bitcoin 64 just crossed 64 on the Coinbase, I believe. And let's have a perusal of Ethereum. So where are we at? 23.52 on the Coinbase. ETH BTC. Let's look at that. Auto. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We go high. I think I call for 0.1. 0.1. That makes sense, right? Actually, let me. Is this better? Yes, that is better. No, that's not better. Let's stick with my arrow. Yeah, here we go. Now you can follow what I'm talking about. Jeez, somebody should have mentioned that. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go 2.1. Horizontal line. 0.1 makes a lot of sense. Round numbers. Boom. 100k Bitcoin. How many Ethereums are there in circulation? Let's have a look. How many Ethereums are there in circulation? Market cap, $250 billion. Look at that. Circulating supply 115. Are you doing the math? So basically 6 times more than Bitcoin, right? 6 times more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin 100k. Bitcoin 100k divided by 6. Is that the right math? Well, here we go. Bitcoin 100k, and we're talking about Ethereum BTC 0.1, so that's 10k, right? Will this make a difference? The circulating supply on that 0.1? It will, yeah, but you don't need to do the math. The chart does the math for you. 0.1, 10k Ethereum. It makes sense because we did a 4,000. A 4-figure number last time, right? So why not just add a 0, make it 5? This go around. The next go around will be 600k, right? That's the way it works. That's the way crypto works. Hex down. Not bad. Let's have a quick look. This is our dip. That was our thrust. Should I change the line? Nah, just leave it on there. That's a pullback. We should be coming towards the end of our pullback in Hex. Okay. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? A, B, C. I don't know the other Elliott wave patterns. Is it D, E? Is it going to go down here? I think I was talking yesterday about coming back down to 0.16. It might. Yeah, I'm not an expert on the Elliott wave patterns because I don't find them that useful going forward. They're good going backwards, obviously. Look, I just did it for you. But going forward, it's hard to make money off it. So why study something that's hard to use? You know? Okay, let's go on. So yeah, the big news is hard forking, right? Ethereum's hard forking. ETH Berlin upgrade. And if you guys don't know, are new to the space, Ethereum is continually forking itself. Yes, it does fork itself. Vitalik and Joe Lubin like to fork. And why do they like to fork? Because they want to continually upgrade the network. You know, if they just created something and just left it alone, they wouldn't have created a $250 billion network, right? With all this space, all this stuff going on Ethereum, right? So they're consistently, continuously working and producing and growing their networks and their overall ecosystem on Ethereum, because that's what smart business people do. If you don't continue to innovate and grow, you will be cannibalized by the competition, right? Everyone is out to take your market share. This is competition, survival of the fittest, right? Darwin. Even though, yeah, Darwin is, I guess it was a tool used by the state. A little bit of propaganda. Had limited sample size on his observations, so it was extrapolated. We still don't know where we came from, do we? Really? So no, that's why they're collecting all our DNA. They want to find out. Hex done. Ethereum. No, Ethereum is not done. Quickly before I came on, I did ETH trend fib analysis. So from the very bottom of our bull cycles, which was December 10th, 2018, roughly. It's roughly around $80. This is the Coinbase. $80. Look at that. So if you guys, again, if you're new to crypto, 1400 down to 80, do the math. It's roughly around 95% haircut. If you bought around 1,000, say, we're going up here. You think, oh yeah, Ethereum to the moon, to 10k. It will go to 10k, but not then. Not after it went from 50 cents, right? 50 cents to 10,000? No, it's impossible. It needs to digest all these returns. It needs to flush out all the people who make money. It needs to recycle funds. It needs to bring on board new investors. It needs to grow its ecosystem. It needs to upgrade its network. All these things take time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, basically 4.5 years, 5 years. Yeah, 2017, 14, and this will be 5 years, right? I believe. So yeah, huge downdraft. Huge. Is there a pattern? It's just the A, B, and C of death. Look at that C of death. I guess you could kind of draw 0.4, but no. Look, it was so weak. Even took it out of the 0.4. I guess you could call that 0.4. Look at it, but it's just so weak. It's giving you so many, and this was around 250. So around 250 mark, you could have still, save some capital, right? Unless you're a miner, you're just earning ETH every day, But most people don't mine. Most people can't be bothered setting up a rig, doing anything technical, holding their keys. They just want number go up, right? That's the reality. People are lazy. People don't want to learn how to acquire skills, and that's okay. That's okay because I'm here. I'm teaching you and showing you how not to trade, as you saw on Filecoin. The call was probably right. I haven't checked the Filecoin price, but the call was probably right. It's going to go higher because it has to. Bitcoin's at 64, going to 80. But on a futures platform, you're at the mercy, right? You're at the mercy. So risk management is key. If you're just picking up spot, you're probably good. You can weather the storms like 40, 50% down drafts, right? If you're just holding spot, you're not going to. It's impossible to get liquidated, right? Okay, now let's dig into these fibs, retracements, and projections. Okay, so the one I took that February high. It's up here, 2034 roughly. Don't have to be exact. Bottom $80. So it came back down, didn't it? Came back down. That's a big move down. Yeah, imagine buying here and suffering your first crypto downdraft. You probably sold. You bought here, sold here. You're out. You're buying back here again, aren't you? Yeah, newbies. It's brutal for you guys. I really do feel for you because you've been told to buy up here by the media, right? And then down here, you've been told to sell by the media. And the media now is the new media. Is like the Cointelegraphs and it's the Twitter accounts and so on. So yeah, I feel for you guys. You gotta filter out. Really, really filter hard who you listen to. Okay, where are we at? 13 minutes. Boy, yeah, let's get down into the 4 hours. Just my screen. Auto. I have to talk quickly on these streams because I want to get so much info out here. So yeah, ETH is upgrading to Berlin. It's hard forking. It's on the roadmap to Ethereum 2.0. Imagine that, it's taken 5 years just to get to 2.0. Oh my god, software is hard, bugs, etc. So assuming Ethereum 2.0 won't come out to next year, till after this bull market's over. That would make sense to me. Out of coffee. Damn. Okay, so here, let's do it on daily so you can see better. So you can see more clearly. Where are we going? We already called for 0.1 against Bitcoin. Already a few weeks ago, or is it a few weeks ago? Last week said 3,000. So here's 1.618, 3242, 0.58. If we hit that. So this was maybe a little aggressive. Maybe not. Look, 2.618, 5197. May go here to there, come back down to 3. Yeah, that would be good. That would be 60%, I think. No, 40%. 40%. running correction. A, B, C, boom. I'm off to the races again. Yeah, so where 3.618 projection is 71,000. Now, I think if you're still long or from all the way down here, I hopefully should have been taking some profits. When the things get really heated up and bullish, you should be selling into it. So again, when it hits 5, you should be selling into it, anticipating the pullback, and then you can increase your number of ETH you got, and then for this final play. So I'll be layering into if you had 100 ETH, I'll be layering out around 7s, 8s, because 8 to 10 could happen in the day. And what's the final projection? 4236, 83, 60. So yeah, might hit that. Then really just one day go from 8 to 10. Yeah. 8 to 10. And that will be what? Labor Day, America. So Memorial Day, Labor Day. Key holidays for traders on the street. So why not on crypto markets? I'll do that. I should do some seasonal analysis on the summer times in crypto. I'm sure somebody's already done it, but I'll either dig for it or do the research myself. Okay, a couple more minutes left. I'm running out of breath. No, I'm not. So I added these as well. Okay, Ethereum killers, right? Tron, TRX, ADA, Cardano, Neo, Tezos, Waves, and I want to show you, and I want to see myself how are the Ethereum killers perform against the Big Daddy, right? Because we all know the problems on Ethereum. There are plenty. The gas is nuts. I paid $150 yesterday to do a couple of transactions, end a stake and do a swap and do a send. It was $150 to do those 3 things, and I was being mindful of the times of the days, and also doing low fees on the MetaMask, and it still cost me $150. And that is too much. That is too much. That is why Hex is moving to its own chain. I'll talk about that in another video. Yeah, okay, let's see. Tron, TRX. This is Justin Sun's baby. Ethereum against Tron. How do I plot this? So, yeah, okay. So, as this line goes up, no, I'm confused now. Let's go back to FX. GB. It just kind of resets my brain. Okay, here we go. So as pound increases in value, so GBP is on top, USD is on the bottom, it takes more dollars to buy pounds. So the numerator on the bottom, the USD, it takes more US dollars, $1.37 to buy £1. Yeah, that's the way it works. So out here is going down to 1-to-1. So pound going weak, pound going strong. So Tron looks like it was outperforming Ethereum, right? For a while. But now it's come back down. And now it's getting crushed. It's gonna flag and go down. It's time for the big boy to stomp all over Tron, that little kid. I don't know why everyone loves Justin Sun. I just appreciate the hustle, but he's just a little kid, isn't he? ADA is doomed. ADA is doomed. Yep. Okay, running out of time. Neo doomed. Tezos doomed. Waves actually doing okay. Waves looks good. Okay, end it there. Bye.